So we're looking at the roof framing plan, first floor here. There's a note that there should be a 2x6 ledger secured to the truss webs with two 3/8 by 5-inch lag screws and washers at 24-inch on center max. So there's a detail in this entryway somewhere. So we need to kind of find out where is this 2x6 at. So we want to look at this section 1-7. That's going to tell us that this is on page 7, detail number 1. So we're going to go over and look at that. We're going to flip pages here. And here we see that same note with the 2x6 ledger secured to the truss. Where is it? Let's follow this little line arrow over here, and we can see that 2x6 is bolted to the wall right there on the second floor framing, and it supports the bottom of these little trusses for this roof overhang. So it should be on the outside wall. So we'll walk over there and just verify that that's installed correctly. You know, you could be mistaken that it might be needed on top of the masonry as some type of lateral support for this gable wall, gable truss, whatever this is right here, floor truss, whatever. So we want to make sure that when we look at these notes that we understand where this is at, because we don't want to be confused and think that it's supposed to be there and write that up, because that would be incorrect. So this is the 2x6 ledger that we were looking at on the plans. There's a couple other things that we want to look at while we're in this corner, just as a observation. But this is the 2x6 location that was identified on the plans. These are the bolts, lag screws, so that's all good. We also want to pay attention when we see these kind of straps. These are pretty heavy duty, significant uplift areas. So we want to make sure that, you know, all the holes are filled with Tapcons. We want to make sure that all the holes are filled with the strap nails, the appropriate nails up here in the strap. There's high uplift potential right here because this is a pretty significant strap, and it's on both sides of the opening. So we want to make sure, you know, just check, verify that all these are in place and that all the nails are appropriate.